Hello guys, welcome back to Hungry Fusion. Today we are going to make marbled white chocolate recipe. This is a special recipe for Valentine's Day. This is completely homemade from scratch and I tried marbled white chocolate recipe. It is done without cocoa butter or any icing sugar. It turned out creamy and absolutely delicious. You can make it in an ice cube tray if you don't have a chocolate mold. Let's jump into the making. We are going to use double boiler method for melting the butter and oil. Heat a glass bowl over a saucepan with boiling water. Before adding the oil and butter, just reduce the flame to medium. Add 2 tablespoons of unrefined coconut oil and 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. You can use only coconut oil if you need. Mix well until the butter and oil is melted completely. Once done, add 1/4 cup of raw unrefined sugar. I powdered it at home and sieved it for finer texture. Mix well until combined. You can use any powdered sugar or icing sugar in replacement of this. Forms like a paste once the sugar is completely dissolved. Switch off the flame now. Let it cool for 5 minutes and then add 3 tablespoons of milk powder. Mix well and remove it from heat. We are going to grind this mixture in a blender. Milk powder tends to harden when heated for a long time, so make sure to mix it and remove it once done. In the blender, add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Grind it in pulse mode. It forms a huge lump when grinding. It looks like the milk powder and oil get separated. At the time, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and you will get a nice creamy paste. In total, I have added 1/2 cup of butter and coconut oil mixture and 5 tablespoons of milk powder. Use bar chocolate mold or ice cube tray. I have taken a generous pinch of beetroot powder for the bright pink color. I am adding 1 tablespoon of white chocolate prepared. Mix well until there are no lumps. This mixture makes about 1 bar chocolate. Drizzle little pink chocolate at first. You can add it as needed. Add the remaining white chocolate mixture. Level it with a spoon. Then add the remaining rose chocolate that we prepared from beetroot powder. Make swirls with a skewer or toothpick for the marble effect. Tap it once to remove any air bubbles and freeze it for about 15 to 30 minutes. That's it, our delicious marbled white chocolate is done. For plain white chocolate, just add it to the mold and freeze it. See how finely it has set. You can also add dark chocolate instead of adding beet. Dark, white and milk chocolate recipes without cocoa butter is given in the description. Try this recipe for your Valentine and comment your feedback. The ingredients, notes and other playlists are given in the description. It tasted just like our Milky Bar. Share and subscribe to my channel if you like my recipes. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.